everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today's video is going to be about my 28th birthday wish list and a little mini haul of what I bought to prepare for my birthday. So on April 19th, I am going to be turning 28, which is really weird. I'm almost 30, but I wanted to share with you this little tradition I do. I started it on my blog in 2012 and every year I've done it. Last year I actually made it in video format, so I'm going to do the same this year. I'll link last year's video down below if you want to check that out. It's pretty much the same thing. I share my wish list with you, and then I also share with you my birthday dress and a few accessories. So yeah, I can't wait for this video. Let's just get started, shall we? So here on my iPad is the wish list collage that I make. I always make these collages every year. They look a little bit different, but this is this year's version, so I have a lot on here. I publish it on my blog. I'll link that down below, and then there is where you can see all the wish lists that I've had since 2012, which is when I turned 19. I think that's when I turned 19, yeah. So yeah, I've been doing it for quite a bit of time now, and I love sharing it with you. Obviously, I don't get everything on my wish list. It's just a little guide for me and a gift guide if you need one for a girly girl like myself. You can like get gift ideas. So I'm going to start at the top, the bigger items. So I've put this laptop on my wish list for a while now. I think I did it for my last birthday wish list and my Christmas one. I'm going to put it on my wish list until I get a new laptop, preferably this pink MSI one. It has all the specs that I want, and it's just super cute and pink. And then we have a new camera. The one that I'm using is, I think, 4 years old now. It's going to turn 4 years old. I think I got it 4 years ago for my birthday. I really want a new vlogging camera. Then we have some Apple AirPods. Actually, 2 years ago, my dad took a shower with my AirPods, and they haven't been the same since. They still work, but it just is intermittent. So I thought getting some new AirPods for my birthday would be great. And then we have a hot pink power bank because I'm still obsessed with hot pink, and I found one. I got my dad one for his birthday, and I was going to get that one for myself, but I found a hot pink one, and if it comes in hot pink, I'll buy it. Then down here we have a makeup mirror that I found on Amazon. I thought it was really cool. And then next to that we have a record player. I love listening to music. It's been like my favorite thing to do when I'm just here in my room. And the vinyls I want to get for it are Niall Horan's Heartbreak Weather. I love that album since it came out. I listened to it like when it came out, and then I still listen to it, like the whole thing. It's my favorite album. And then I recently got into Harry Styles' Fine Line album, and I've been listening to that. So yeah, that's why I would like those. There's like so many more vinyls I would love to get with a record player, but those would be like the top two I get for now. And then we have a book. I've been obsessed with reading. I haven't actually read a physical book since 2013 though. I've always read on my iPad ever since I got my first iPad. I would just buy books onto here and read it that way. But I saw this collector's edition, and I love this book so much. It's called Anna and the French Kiss by Stephanie Perkins, and I remember reading that book over and over again back in 2014, and I saw they have like a pretty version of it, so I was like, you know what, that is cool. I would love that. So those are the much bigger items on my wish list. And then we have just some cute plain gifts down here. So if you watch a lot of my vlogs, I love Kool-Aid. I thought I would get a whole 50 pack of Kool-Aid to tide me over on Amazon. Why not? And then a cute hot pink tumbler to put that Kool-Aid in, because that's just such a fun gift. We have some items right here. I really want this t-shirt that says I'm totally blogging about this, because I actually say that quite a lot in my regular like day-to-day life. So I thought that was cute. We have some cute rings right here. I'm obsessed with rings. I don't have them on today like you would think I would, but I forgot to put them on. We have some floral sneakers. And then we have some makeup items. I really want to get the Rare Beauty liquid blush, so I put that on my wish list. We have the Pretty Basic and Tarte palette. I saw that they came out with a palette, Remy and Alicia, and I've been obsessed with their videos, so I was like, yes, that would be a cute gift. Then we have the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I've heard so many good things about it, so I was like, why not put it on my wish list? So quite a bit of beauty items. And then lastly, we have some bags. I am such a bag girl. I mean, I have a lot behind me. Like, I will spend my money on bags. If I think it's cute, I buy it. So I put 2 on my wish list. They're a little bit above what I pay for bags, but treat yourself, it's your birthday. So we have a Steve Madden one and a House of Want one from Nordstrom. So I thought they were cute, and I don't have anything like it, so I put it on my wish list. So there you have it. There's a little look at what I want for my 28th birthday. Now the exciting part, which is the stuff that I got for my 28th birthday. So I bought a few things that I can open up and share with you. My birthday dress, an accessory, some balloons, and just some fun stuff. First, I'm going to show you my Shein order. So I have a massive Shein order that came in, but for like my birthday purposes, I got 2 things out of there so I can show it in this video. First up, I got a crown. I love this so much. This is what I wanted back when I turned 18. So there's a huge story behind this. I wanted a crown like this, and my dad bought me one, but he bought me a beauty queen crown. He had no idea. We didn't know the measurements or anything, and that thing like stuck up. I'll have to find a picture and insert it. It was a beauty pageant crown, but I loved it so much. So since I had that crown, I thought I would like get one for my 28th birthday, because it's 10 years since I turned 18, since I had my huge debutante ball or debut in the Philippines, and I just wanted a memory from that. So I got me a crown that I wanted. I think this was like 12 bucks from Shein, and it's just gold and it has diamonds, and I feel like a queen, and you want to feel like a queen on your birthday. It has bobby pins, and yeah, it's just so cute. And afterwards I can just put it on display here on my shelves because why not? So yeah, I got a crown. Treat yourself for your birthday and feel like the queen you are. Next up, we have some birthday pajamas. So last year it was lockdown. We couldn't go anywhere. We couldn't do anything. So I had a photo shoot here at home, and I bought pajamas for my birthday because I thought I wasn't going to do anything. Made it a tradition kind of now to buy me birthday pajamas, preferably when they're hot pink. So here we go. I'll insert a thing of me trying this on. And here are my birthday pajamas, but they do not fit. I'm surprised I got the top on, but I can't move my arms. And these shorts are extremely tight. They're an extra large from Shein, and I barely squeezed into them. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take these back, if I can return them. But yeah, I won't be able to sit on my bed. Like, it fits, but it's really tight and uncomfortable. So yeah, that is a fail. Next up, we have an Amazon order. One is a birthday gift, which I won't be sharing with you. You'll have to watch my birthday vlog. It is a huge set of balloons. It has a massive hot pink 28 number balloon, and it has all kinds of other balloons. It says happy birthday. I'll insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like here. So yeah, it's just a lot of fun balloons, and I can't wait to like decorate my room and be surrounded by balloons. Next up, we have my birthday dress. I've been buying one, I think, since my 24th birthday, I believe. Ever since I started my blog, I've done a photo shoot for it and took pictures for my birthday. It's always been like that since my first birthday. My mom always took pictures of me every birthday. It's been, so I've continued it on, honestly, but now I just post it online. This year's pic is from Misguided. I've never bought from there. I saw this because I was googling hot pink dresses, and this one popped up, and this was like the obvious choice. I've went through so many, but this one stood out to me. So we're going to open her up. So hopefully this one fits good, but it won't beat my 26th birthday dress. That one was iconic. My first birthday here in LA. I had so much fun. I love that birthday so much. So hopefully this dress lives up to that one. Here it is. That is so sparkly. So this is what it looks like. It has a sequin belt and Hopefully it fits. I don't know. It's long sleeve, it's sparkly. This is something that I probably should have like waited and worn on my 30th birthday, I feel like, but who cares? I love it. I'm not sure how much I paid for it. I think it was $30, and then I got a US size 16. So yeah, that is what it looks like. So here we go. I'll insert me trying it on now. This is what the dress looks like on. I mean, it's really sparkly and cute. I tied it really tight right here, and the sleeves are like this. I like that I'm really like shiny and sparkly. My dad can't really like button. There's like a button on the back of here. He can't really get it tight, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. There we go. That is my 28th birthday dress. Of course, it's not all styled up and anything, but this is just the first initial try on what it looks like. And we have one last thing that I got for my birthday. I wanted to open that first because this kind of matches it. So I'll open it up and show it to you. So I bought me a matching face mask to the dress after watching the Grammys and seeing Taylor Swift and Harry Styles with the matching like thing. I always did that before. I have a dress that matches a face mask, but I just love that so much. And to be extra, since the restaurants are opening up here in West Hollywood close to me, I thought it would be fun to maybe go out to get a bite of eat outdoors with my dad. So yeah, this is from a small business on Etsy, so thank you to her. I found it after googling hot pink sequin face mask, and this popped up. I didn't really like think they would match like so well, but there you go. I did not have her like custom make this or anything. It was just in her store, and it has a cute little red sticker. I love that. This is what it looks like. Hopefully it will fit, but honestly it like looks the same. Like the colors are a little bit off a teeny bit, but it still kind of matches. It's adjustable. It has the thingies. So yeah, instead of getting a hair accessory, I got a face mask as an accessory to my birthday dress. So yeah, that is fun. So I can't wait to style everything, and that is all that I got for my 28th birthday coming up. Of course, I will link everything that I mentioned down below in the description if you want to check that out, as well as my fashion blog, which is fashionxfairytale.com, and you can follow me on Instagram as well as on my TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!